Welcome to this AI Explainer video from Semantic SEO BD. Your topical map will collapse without considering the central search intent. Your semantic strategy fails without this critical signal. If you are focusing only on scattered facts, you are likely building a Wikipedia clone. Encyclopedias imitate the SERP, but lack a unique fingerprint within authority and value. Let's look at the semantic equation. Central entity, or WHO, like Germany, plus source context, or how money, like Visa consultancy, equals the central search intent. The intersection of the entity and context creates the, quote, neurology or central search intent. For example, it is not just buying a Visa, but the desired outcome. We augment the context using the know and go framework. This translates a broad entity like Germany and a transaction like a Visa application into the augmented intent of knowing about and going to Germany. The core of your strategy is monetization and visa services, while the atmosphere includes culture, geography, and climate. The core is the signal, and the atmosphere provides the attributes. The contextual bridge connects seemingly irrelevant information, like German climate, to the central search intent, such as a student visa, through the know and go lens, focusing on weather conditions for traveling. In this case study of luxury Arctic water, the entity is water, and the context is luxury and Arctic. The central search intent is about the benefits of drinking, health, and exclusivity. Search engines read your entire site as a single corpus through site-wide Ngrams. This analysis helps identify the pulse of the site and extract the central search intent. Attribute filtration separates the gold from the sand. Irrelevant information or sand, like Germany crime, is filtered out to yield relevant attributes, or gold, like safety for travelers. The root document is the anchor and must explicitly state the central search intent. It should cover everything you need to know and go, providing signal integrity. Contextual vectors create a straight line by aligning every micro-context, your individual documents, to the macro purpose, which is the central search intent vector. Focusing on central search intent reduces the quote, cost of retrieval. Momentum leads to faster crawling, indexing, ranking, and higher trust. Rank for intent, not just keywords. Google ranks satisfied users. Entity-oriented search is more effective than simple keyword searches. The final verdict: the search engine doesn't rank your content. It ranks the consistency of your intent. Thank you for watching. Drop your comment below.